Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. There are three R control vowel sounds. AR sound as R, OR sound as OR, and IR, UR, and ER sounds as R. These sounds are often called bossy R sounds, as this concept is that he is bossy and controls the sound, but does still let the vowel go first. For example, bird, car, horn, and turn. So let's start today's video. Read along with me. CAR, car. HER, her. BIRD, bird. MORE, more. CURL, curl. HARD, hard. COVER, cover. FIRM, firm. CORD, cord. FUR, fur. FAR, far. WATER, water. FIRST, first. WORE, wore. HURT, hurt. STAR, star. ANGER, anger. DIRT, dirt. FORM, form. NURSE, nurse. ART, art. LETTER, letter. GIRL, girl. FLOOR, floor. TURTLE, turtle. FARM, farm. NERVE, nerve. SHIRT, shirt. STORE, store. PURPLE, purple. SCARF, scarf. WVERB, verb. THIRD, third. FOR, for. TURKEY, turkey. ARER, SERVE, serve. STIR, stir. HORN, horn. BLUR, blur. START, start. HERB, herb. DIRTY, dirty. TORCH, torch. BURN, burn. CART, cart. WINTER, winter. SKIT, skirt. BORN, born. TURN, turn.